G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I was walking through my local Big W today and I seen this pack was upside down, hence why it's still upside down. And I thought, I gotta get that pack that's looking at me. Alright, let's crack into it guys. Oh, matching pack arts. Alright, I'm gonna go water.
I'm gonna go fighting.
Okay. Ready? Oh, ready? Remember guys, please like and subscribe. I think we're at 266 subscribers now. Oh, that is a nice card. T-Rent? Trevenant. Sorry, I'm so bad at the names, guys. Okay, and that's the one before that one, I'm pretty sure.
Phantom.
Okay.
Toxicity.
He's nice. Alright guys, remember like, subscribe, and we'll see you on tomorrow's video. Bye.